Okay, in the previous video, we talked about how to create ad accounts, specifically for Naira usage for Nigerians and what have you. Now, I want to look at how to fund ad accounts, specifically using that same ad account that I've just created. In the previous video, you will see the link out there. So I just created this Mojeed Fetuga ad account. Okay, and I now want to look at how to fund the ad accounts. So I now want to look at how to fund the ad accounts. So the steps are, you go back to the beginning. Okay, at the beginning you would select the ad accounts that your business manager, then you may have more than one business manager on the account. Now I have 3 ad accounts. Okay, I will select the ad accounts that I want to actually work on. In the previous video we went to business settings, but now I'm looking at the ad account. This is a new ad account. I have not used it. I've just created it, and the first thing I want to do is to come to this menu here, and I now go to billings. Now under the business manager account, I'm addressing this ad account. And this ad account has no billing method, no payments, no funding and everything. So the first thing I want to come out into, I want to click on payment settings. So under payment settings, let me refresh this. Under payment settings, I would be able to see the list of payment options. Under payment settings, I'll be able to see the list of payment options. Okay. Oh, I would add a payment method. Payment method, probably I want to pay through. There are options. You can see these are options available, and this is the first time. If I should pick payment method from business manager, being the first time, it's going to take a default payment settings that I've used on my business manager, but I really do not want that. I want to actually use Naira payments. If you look at it, Naira payments. So, and I want to pay through a default of Naira payments. And the first time I have just done this is the first time I'm setting this up. I'm seeing an error. If you should make use of credit or debit card here, it's not going to work. You are going to have an error. And if you use a Facebook coupon, even if you use this payment method, it's still not going to work. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to cancel this. I'm going to refresh. Okay, is a new ad account. In the previous video I just created it. I'm just going to refresh. I'm going to come back to add payment method, and now you will see Naira payment with MasterCard. You see, you will see Naira payments with MasterCard. So MasterCard or Visa, and you can now click continue, and that is the difference between making, the first time is not going to show it. I just cancel that, I refresh, then the accounts, the location and everything. On this case, I just need to click continue, and of course I'm going to input a figure here. Let me say for this tutorial I just want to input 500 Naira. Okay, I don't think I'm even going to pay that money. Okay, and I'll click make payment. I don't think I'm going to make the money, the payment. So here now, Facebook is saying that the payment method they approve is PayU. Now, PayU is a secured payment method. Most of us in Nigeria, we are used to Paystack and Rav and what have you. PayU is also a secure payment method. So in this case, for PayU, you can use your Visa, Master, or Verve. So you can just enter your card name, enter your card number, your card name, and select the expiry date. And after this, is going to take you through a one-time payment, OTP. So there is going to be a password that will be sent to your account. I don't want to enter my details here in the public training. So I've already done another video on this same topic. I've done another video on this same topic. You can check my playlist. So in this case, you are going to enter one OTP, that is one-time password, that will be sent to your phone number. One-time password that will be sent to your phone number or your email, and that would confirm this transaction. And once this transaction is confirmed, you are going to see the balance of your amount balance. You will see it here, okay, and you start running your campaign with that. So I did not want to fund this account here now, but the process is just that. I only did the video because the one time, if you just log into a newly created account, it may not bring out that Naira payment, but you just need to sign out, cancel that and refresh. It's going to bring the one-time payment, and that is just that. Thank you and God bless.